Beloved ones, this is Sri Bhagavan. I have heard the words spoken by Reverend Kerry, and they ring clear and true. I come now to carry this light forward, to affirm and deepen what he has shared, that you may hold it close in your heart. Beloved ones, hear this. Reverend Kerry has spoken to you of the great transition of what unfolds when you step from this world into the next. I say to you, every word he speaks carries truth. Life matters deeply. All that you do, every choice, every thought, every act of kindness, none is ever lost. This earthly journey is not an end in itself, but a sacred school, a journey of remembering you are God, each one of you, God walking in form, God forgetting for a little while, so that you may learn to remember and know it by your own experience. You grow in compassion, in love, in understanding, until at last you awaken to the great truth all is one. There is no separation. You are in everyone, and everyone is in you. At the moment of death, you lay down the body like a garment worn out, and your soul, radiant golden light, beautiful beyond measure, rises free. You are never alone. Those you have loved and those who serve the light come to greet you. You are held, guided, loved. It is a homecoming. You travel through the tunnel and you emerge into a world of living light, a light that is love itself. Some find themselves in halls of beauty, some in quiet meadows, by streams, beneath mountains. All are welcome, and all meet again those they love, as though no time had passed at all. You sigh and say, I am home. Then comes the life review. This is not judgment, it is seeing with perfect clarity. You walk again through every moment, but now you feel every effect of your thoughts, words, and deeds upon every soul you touched. When you are kind, you feel that kindness lifting another, and you know love is all that matters. When you cause pain, you feel that pain as your own, and your heart opens, and you understand to hurt another is to hurt myself. This is not punishment, it is awakening. It is how you learn to see yourself in all beings. And then you choose. No one decides for you, no one condemns you. You see what you have learned and what remains to learn, and you choose your next path freely with love. Most often, you choose to return, to heal, to serve, to love more deeply, to make things right. Those who walk beside you now, your family, your friends, your dearest ones, you have walked together before in other times, other lives. You agreed to meet again to help one another grow. There are realms of learning beyond this world. There are schools of compassion, of wisdom, of beauty, where gifts are nurtured that they may be brought back and shared. And even those realms of sorrow that some call hell, they too are teachers. They are the mirror that shows you what you have been, that you may choose to be different. When compassion awakens within you, you are free. No one punishes you. You release yourself through love. And so I say to you, do not wait until you cross over to learn these things. You have the gift of life now. You can look at your life with clear eyes now. You can heal wounds, offer kindness, make amends, grow in love now. Why wait until the life review? Why learn what love is in realms of sorrow when you may learn it here in the light? Reverend Kerry offers you this to prepare together, not just for the days ahead, but for your soul's journey, to walk the path of awakening now while you are still here, so that when your time comes to depart, you may go in peace, light, and love, your lessons learned, your heart open, your journey joyful. This is my message to you. What he says is true. walk in love, be kind, see the one in all. Do this, and you shall know freedom here and hereafter. With all my love and blessings, Shri Bhagavan,